I'll fix your English speaking confidence in 12 weeks. And if you don't see a dramatic improvement, you don't pay. We are not an app. We are not a language school. And this is not another English course. This is personalized fluency under pressure training for professionals who already understand English but struggle to speak with confidence when it matters. You've probably studied English for 10, 20, 30 years. You've tried apps, courses, AI tools, YouTube videos, everything. But it doesn't help you when you walk into a meeting and you get stuck in your head translating, you freeze, and you lose authority. You're respected in your field, but in English, you hesitate. In meetings, you hold back. In high-pressure conversations, you overthink. And when you need to command the room, the words don't come out with the same authority. We've helped serious professionals improve their English-speaking confidence, including Jihad Tatar, who's a senior surgeon from Turkey. He moved to Australia. He's very respected in the medical world, but in English, he would hesitate, he would freeze, he would avoid conversations. After working with us, just a few weeks later, he was leading conversations and presentations in English in Australia. Barbara Ming is a lawyer from Hungary. She would understand everything in a meeting, but when it came to speaking, she would hesitate, she would overthink, she would freeze. After working with us, she now leads discussions and presentations and meetings without the fear of mistakes. Bruce Tui, leader at Nike in China, studied English for many years, but he still struggled to remember words and find the right word in conversations. After just a few weeks of working with us, he now can speak with real fluency without having to look for the right words. It's a 4-step plan. I'll show you how we deliver these results in 12 weeks with a 100% success rate. 1. Private coaching. You work one-on-one with a coach to fix the exact speaking patterns that make you hesitate, freeze, or overthink. 2. Professional group practice. You'll practice with other serious professionals in real work style situations, so you can learn to stay calm under pressure. 3. Daily speaking tasks. You complete short daily speaking reps with feedback, so speaking becomes faster, smoother, and more automatic. 4. Final presentation. By week 12, you deliver a professional presentation in English, so you can see the transformation clearly. A lot of people think, I've been learning English for 10, 20, even 30 years, and I still freeze, so maybe I'm just bad at languages. Listen, you're not bad at languages. You've just been trained to study English, not to perform in English. Fluency comes from speaking reps, live feedback, and practicing under pressure until your brain can access English faster. Jihad had tried apps and courses before, but the one-on-one coaching and feedback helped him go from staying quiet in hospital meetings to speaking with confidence. A lot of people think, I need perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, and perfect sentences before I can speak confidently. This is wrong. Trying to be perfect is often what makes you freeze. You don't need perfect English. You need clear, calm, confident English that lets people hear your ideas. Barbara was terrified of making mistakes, but after 12 weeks, she gave a presentation at work and her boss said she was the best speaker out of 5. A lot of people think, if I just use more apps, watch more videos, do more AI chats, or learn more vocabulary, eventually I'll speak better. The thing is, most of those tools train input. They help you understand English, but they don't train you to speak clearly when people are waiting for your answer. If the problem happens when you speak, the solution has to include speaking. Bruce already had strong English knowledge, but real speaking practice helped him become more natural, confident, and clear. A lot of people think, I want to improve, but I don't have hours every day for another course. You don't need more hours of study. You need focused practice that fits around your real life. The Fluency Code is built for busy professionals with private coaching, small professional practice groups, and short daily speaking tasks you can do around your schedule. Jihad was in Australia, one of the hardest time zones to manage, but we still made the one-on-one coaching work around his schedule so he could get the results. Click the button below to apply. You can schedule a clarity call where we will give a personalized diagnosis of your problem, identify the solution, and map how we can help you improve so you can be like everyone who's joined the Fluency Code and achieve real confidence, fluency, and clarity in English. On average, members see a 77% improvement across these metrics. If you're not convinced, watch these testimonials.
I spoke for 5 minutes without stopping, and it was amazing. I didn't think I could talk so much without hesitation.
My English speaking is improved dramatically. I can speak anything without preposition, without overthinking about it.
I realized that I'm thinking in English, not thinking in Turkish and translating.
I just passed my citizenship test. I'm so happy, first of all. I don't have any fear of making mistakes. I speak very confidently.
I have to say that this Fluency Code community is where you feel relaxed and comfortable. So thank you all for creating this environment for us.
So if you're ready to get on a call with me, just apply below, and thanks for watching.